In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center button in Webflow. To set us up for a clean, centered button with a polished look, we'll start by opening your project in the Webflow Designer, and then installing a button enhancement app from the Webflow ecosystem. Follow along on screen and mirror each action in your own workspace. Begin by navigating to your Webflow project and opening it in the Designer. Once you're in the canvas view, look for the on-screen highlight and click it to open the relevant panel. You may see a second highlighted prompt. Go ahead and click that as well. This brings you to a place where you can search for tools that extend Webflow's functionality. In the search field that appears, type into the highlighted input to start filtering results. From the results, select the app titled Glow Effect and Button. This tool adds visual polish to your buttons without code, and it integrates directly within Webflow so you can work faster. When the listing opens, choose Open Full Listing to view the complete details. On the app page, click the Description tab to understand what the app does and how it blends into your workflow. Next, switch to the Permissions tab and review exactly what access the app requests. This transparency helps you confirm it's a good fit for your project and your team's policies. You'll also see a feature callout labeled Adjustable Intensity. Click that to preview how the glow strength can be tuned to match your design system. After you've looked it over, return to the Permissions tab if you want to double-check access before proceeding. When you're ready, click Install on-site to begin the setup. A Webflow authorization screen will appear. Click Authorize for the Glow Effect and Button app. Then follow the highlighted prompts to pick the correct site and workspace for installation. If you manage multiple sites, take a moment here to ensure you're selecting the intended one. Choose your workspace, confirm your selection when prompted, and finish by clicking Authorize App. Webflow will connect the app to your project, and you'll be brought back when the installation completes. That's it. With the app installed, you're ready to enhance your button styling and present it neatly in the center of your layout. As you continue designing, keep your container structure tidy so centering stays consistent across breakpoints. If anything doesn't appear right away, a quick refresh of the designer usually brings new app options into view. Thanks for watching.